Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to
Hi, and welcome to Handmade by Ditsy Tulip. I'm Mal, and in today's video I'm really just resharing one of the first videos or playlists that I created when I set up my YouTube channel about a year ago. I think it is about a year now that I've had the channel running for. So what I want to share is the Wear Lemonade Simona blouse, which is the blouse that I'm wearing. I'll tell you a little bit more about it in a second. But the main purpose for this video is to reshare a step-by-step tutorial which I filmed and uploaded, like I could sew along, but step-by-step tutorial on how to sew this blouse. So what I'll do is I'll insert a card here, or here, I'm never sure which side it comes up on. So if you click the card, that will hopefully take you through to the playlist. I will leave a link to the playlist in the video notes as well. And so what I would say is, for anybody who hasn't sewn a blouse yet and want to kind of have a look at what the step-by-step stages are to making one, or if you want to give a go at making this blouse or any other blouse, because they all kind of follow very similar techniques, then I thought I would reshare that playlist, because with it being one of my very early videos, it hasn't had a lot of love, so not many people have viewed it, so I thought I would reshare. What's prompted me to do this is a lovely lady over on Instagram has made her own beautiful version of this blouse, and she tagged me in the post because she said that she purely used my step-by-step tutorial to help her to sew it. So I thought I'd reshare it because there might be lots of other people out there who would like to give a blouse a go, and it really isn't that difficult. It's a bit like jeans where there's lots of steps to it, but there isn't really anything that's technically that difficult. So yes, definitely check out that tutorial. So while I'm here, I'll show you a little bit more about this blouse. I have made two versions. So this first version, they're both from Liberty of London Tarn-Lawn. This first version is a lovely mustard colour. Let me come in and show you the detail. So you can see both versions I've made are in really busy prints, but it's got a standard collar which is attached to a collar stand. It does have a bow tie which you can add on or leave off. It's entirely up to what you like. It's got buttons and buttonholes, but I chose to use little plastic snaps instead. On the back it does have a yoke, and it's got a pleat, an outward pleat at the back. It's got cuffs. Now what I will say is the sleeves turned out to be a bit long on me, so I've got my cuff folded back on itself, so I would shorten the sleeve next time. But it does have buttoned cuffs, so you can see there. So I've got it folded back on itself, you can't really see, but there's the keyhole, and you kind of gather the sleeve into the cuff. And I just find this blouse really easy to wear. I can wear it casual with jeans, or I can dress it up and wear it for the office. If I can find some old photos, I'll insert them as I'm speaking so you can see this one. So I'm going to very quickly go and get changed into the other version of this blouse that I've made to show you that one. And that's it really, that's all I wanted to share today, so I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so here's version number 2. So it's another Liberty of London Tarn-Lawn. As you can see, another really busy print, but I absolutely love the colours. It's browns and creams and purples and some pinks in there. So a really good colour for autumn and winter. So I'll just show you. So it is really busy, but I like it that way. Let's just show you the detail up close. But yeah, exactly the same as before. You've got the collar, you've got the bow tie, you've got the cuffs. Again, I used snaps rather than buttons, some nice gold ones. But just look at all the detail in that fabric, it's gorgeous. Really autumny. One thing I did think about perhaps doing with both of these blouses is doing the bow in a solid colour. So maybe on this one doing a chocolate brown bow or a beige bow, so that the bow stands out a little bit more, and on the other one it's got black and it's got grey in it. So again, maybe a solid colour bow for a totally different look. So I thought I might give that a try. But that's it really. It is just a quick video today to share one of my earlier videos, so do check out the step-by-step tutorial, or save it, you know, highlight it and save it so you've got it there ready to link back to. So either click the card or click the link that I'll put in the video notes, which should take you through to the playlist. So it's numbered, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc, etc. So that's it. Have a wonderful week, whatever you're up to. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you don't already subscribe to the channel, just to make sure that you don't miss out on any new videos that I bring. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you very soon. Bye.
Just like a child, I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to hold me down. Now my feet don't even reach the ground. Just like a